on a Pentagon whistleblower alleging the government has a secret UFO retrieval program and has hidden it from the public.
And they saw against the night sky those three little dots there. Look at them.
In a world where science fiction introduces us to numerous alien races and intergalactic wars, we've always wondered why we haven't encountered even the simplest form of extraterrestrial life. Is it because habitable planets are rare, or are advanced societies purposely keeping us out? But now, scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery, a revelation the Pentagon has hidden from us. Prepare for an extraordinary journey as we uncover this concealed evidence and delve into the truth about our place in the universe. The wait is over. The secrets are about to be revealed. Brace yourself for the shocking truth about UFOs and our cosmic neighbors. Let's begin. In recent years, a series of unidentified anomalous phenomena known as UAP have been reported. However, the public remains largely uninformed about these mysterious sightings. For decades, the government has steadfastly denied any existence of UFOs or flying saucers in our skies. But everything changed with the establishment of the Secret Aerospace Threat Identification Program in the Pentagon back in 2007. This groundbreaking program, headed by the experienced Luis Elizondo, aimed to gather and analyze data on UFO sightings reported by military personnel over the years. Elizondo, with his 20 years of military operations management, honed the program's focus on national security. One report in particular caught his attention, a jaw-dropping encounter involving two retired U.S. military personnel. Navy aviators from the Nimitz Carrier Strike Group, Commander David Fravor and Lieutenant Commander Alex Dietrich were dispatched to investigate multiple anomalous aerial vehicles detected on radar. As they approached, they witnessed an astonishing sight: a tic-tac-shaped object hovering above a churning pool of water in the Pacific Ocean. This enigmatic craft exhibited no predictable movement or trajectory. It lacked logos, wings, or any conventional features. Astonishingly, as Fravor attempted to get closer, the object swiftly vanished from sight, leaving radar data confirming its incredible speed. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Numerous additional sightings were reported by Navy aviators across different locations, including the waters off the coast of San Diego, Virginia, and Florida's Jacksonville. These sightings involved bizarre cubes or triangles performing maneuvers that no known aircraft could replicate, stopping suddenly, turning sharply, and accelerating to mind-boggling speeds of over 11,000 miles per hour. What's more, these otherworldly vehicles defied the laws of gravity, exhibiting reduced visibility, cloaking abilities, and seamless transmedium travel through air and water without any signs of resistance or drag. These extraordinary traits have left experts in national security perplexed. They cannot find any technology in their arsenal that comes close to matching the capabilities of these unidentified vehicles. While some pilots speculated that they could be enemy spy planes or classified U.S. technology, Elizondo suggests that it would be a monumental intelligence failure if such advanced technologies were developed by a foreign adversary without the United States being aware. So the question arises: could these objects originate from another planet, or even deep space itself? Elizondo urges us to keep an open mind, cautioning against hasty judgments. He proposes the possibility that these vehicles could be the creations of a highly advanced artificial intelligence capable of self-replication and instantaneous communication across vast distances via a quantum network. It's even conceivable that our planet is being observed by an intelligent undersea civilization, and we have only recently acquired the technological means to detect their presence as they traverse our oceans, airspace, and upper atmosphere. While concerns about national security arise when dealing with such powerful entities, Elizondo emphasizes that there has been no overt aggression or hostile activity on their part. Nevertheless, the presence of these sophisticated vehicles freely maneuvering in restricted airspace warrants vigilance, as they may pose a potential threat. Also, Elizondo argues that a collaborative and transparent whole-of-government approach is necessary to properly interpret and share observational data about UAP with the public. Despite the funding for the Aerospace Threat Identification Program running out in 2012, Elizondo continued to investigate UAP sightings. However, he eventually grew weary of the Pentagon's skepticism and left in 2017. Before his departure, he declassified 3 Navy UAP films, which were then shared with the New York Times by Christopher Mellon, a former defense official. This sparked public outcry and led Congress and the Pentagon to acknowledge the existence of the UAP Task Force. The UAP Task Force now authorizes military personnel to report sightings, and Florida Senator Marco Rubio requested a declassified report on UAP sightings by June 2021. According to Elizondo, the remaining opposition to transparency is limited and losing influence. The Pentagon and Congress recognize that covering up these facts would be a liability, given the outrage from service members and the general public. Producing a thorough report on UAP sightings requires sifting through vast amounts of information, including data, videos, photographs, telemetry signatures, and electromagnetic spectrum analysis. The National Archives and Records Administration holds numerous collections of documents related to UFOs and flying discs. One well-known collection is the Project Blue Book Papers, which includes 12,618 sightings recorded by the United States Air Force between 1947 and 1969. Other records have also emerged over time, including flight reports, simulated radar images, and interview notes from witnesses. Researchers and UFO enthusiasts continue to explore the National Archives in search of additional evidence of extraterrestrial life. The interest in the presence of aliens and UFOs remains strong globally, sparking intense debates. Some speculate about the potential connection between the rare element 115 and extraterrestrial technology. While officially recognized as a chemical element in 2016, element 115 has long been a subject of fascination for its possible links to advanced propulsion systems and extraterrestrial civilizations. But what exactly is element 115? Let's dive into its fascinating properties and the process of its creation. Like all elements on the periodic table, the number assigned to an element corresponds to the number of protons in its atom. Element 115, also known as Moscovium, is a man-made super-heavy element with 115 protons in its nucleus, making it heavier than any element found in abundance on Earth, such as uranium. Moscovium is a rare element created one atom at a time in particle accelerators. It exists for only a brief period before decaying into another element. However, what makes it special is its proximity to what scientists call the island of stability. This theory suggests that certain super-heavy nuclei may have significantly longer lifetimes, potentially lasting minutes, days, or even years. If this island of stability exists, it opens up possibilities for practical applications of these elements. So how was element 115 created? In 2003, a team of researchers, led by nuclear physicist Yuri Oganessian, discovered element 115 at the Flerov Laboratory for Nuclear Reactions in Dubna, Russia. They achieved this by successfully fusing the nuclei of americium-243 and calcium-48 atoms. By bombarding americium-243 with accelerated calcium-48 ions at a speed of about 10% of the speed of light, they managed to produce 4 atoms of moscovium. It's worth noting that moscovium requires the complete fusion of 2 lighter elements, making the process complex and challenging. It took years for scientists to understand the intricacies of moscovium fully. It wasn't until 2018 that researchers at Berkeley Lab determined the element's mass or atomic weight, which represents the sum of all protons and neutrons in an atom. To achieve this, they produced about 1 atom of moscovium per day and used an instrument called Fiona for the identification of nuclide. Fiona, resembling a small metal bank vault, captured the elusive moscovium atom. However, despite these advancements, moscovium has primarily been used for scientific research and has not found practical applications as of yet. Now, let's explore the intriguing connection between element 115 and extraterrestrial phenomena. Although element 115 wasn't formally identified until 2003, its name had been associated with extraterrestrial claims and paranormal topics for decades. One notable figure in this context is Robert Bob Scott Lazar, who, in 1989, revealed what he claimed to be top-secret information about element 115. Lazar purported to be a former employee at Area 51, the classified section of the Nevada Test and Training Range operated by the United States Air Force. He alleged that his job involved reverse engineering crashed alien flying saucers, with element 115 being a crucial component. According to Lazar, this element, too heavy to be created on Earth, had to originate from a region where naturally occurring super heavy elements are possible. Lazar further claimed that the alleged alien spacecraft utilized a propulsion system harnessing the power of gravity, and element 115 played a crucial role in their advanced technology. Although many of Lazar's assertions have not been conclusively refuted, it's important to note that the government does not acknowledge the employment of individuals claiming to have worked at Area 51. Scientific experts, however, maintain that the properties of Moscovium, including its rapid decay, make it unsuitable for fueling UFOs. While the connection to aliens may captivate the imagination, the scientific community focuses on the genuine excitement surrounding Moscovium as an element. Dr. Gates, a researcher involved in its study, highlights the significance of Moscovium in pushing the limits of our understanding of the universe. Over 100 atoms of element 115 have been created, allowing scientists to delve into its nuclear and chemical properties. Moscovium's unique characteristics and relatively easier creation process, compared to some lighter elements, present intriguing avenues for further exploration. In the end, the true motives and convictions of hypothetical advanced civilizations, including potential extraterrestrial beings, remain unknown. The quest for scientific knowledge continues, offering thrilling discoveries and real-world applications. While the allure of extraterrestrial connections remains captivating, the remarkable world of Moscovium and its scientific implications offer tangible and equally exciting opportunities for expanding our understanding of the universe. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks for watching. So, do you suspect that the Pentagon is concealing a monumental secret about UFOs that could potentially alter our understanding of the universe and challenge conventional beliefs? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here, which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.